everyone, and welcome to our first week in UWrite 1104. I'm just going to do a brief overview of what's going on this week and walk you through how I would suggest that you navigate each week. So I'm here on our home page here, and hopefully you saw the announcements from last week. If you didn't, you can click here. Or I see it's over here as well. But go ahead and look at those if you haven't already. And what I asked you to do in those announcements is to review the welcome video and the navigating the course video. So please make sure that you look at those if you haven't already. And if you have watched the navigating the course video, you will see that I suggest that you start each week by clicking on that week and not depending on this to-do list, because sometimes this gets out of order and some things that I may ask you to do may not appear on the to-do list, but they're always under each of these modules. So go ahead and click on week 1. And since it's our first week, we really don't have all that much going on this week, but you can see kind of a bird's eye view here of what's due. And each week you want to go over the overview of that week. And the schedule is here as well. So everything is due by 5 o'clock on the day it's listed. So you want to review the Start Here materials and take the syllabus quiz by 5 o'clock on Thursday. Okay, so the Start Here walks you through some of, actually all of the information that you need to know about the course policies and grading, etc. And then you will take the syllabus quiz here. Okay, so you can take it as many times as you want. The purpose is really to make sure that you understand all the different aspects of the course, the way things are set up, grading, etc. So you can take it as many times as you like. And the way that I usually ask people to navigate through each of the modules is to click the next button. And as you can see, that's all you have for this week. And if you click the next button again, that will take you to next week, which you don't need to worry about quite yet. So if you have any questions that are not personal in nature or anything that just have to do with the course content, please go ahead and post them to the Ask the Professor forum here. Okay, so you can just click on reply, post your question, and I will get back to you as soon as I see that. Okay, so I hope you all have a great week. Please contact me if you have any questions. Remember, we do not have a meeting time, so you are working through the assignments on your own time and turning them in by 5 on the day they're due. Okay, and I will be posting a weekly overview every Monday, a weekly overview video every Monday. All right, have a great week, everybody.